Early bird at Home Depot. Okay, ito. Hindi na may tender ba? Sige, ito yan. Ito sa baterya. Okay, I went to Home Depot to buy this bolt, but what caught my attention is this Packout attachment for M12 Milwaukee batteries. So I got one to organize further my M12 Milwaukee batteries. Okie dokes! Let me plug in some of my M12 batteries. Alright, that's one. Another one. Another one. And another one. I got like 5 or 6 of these. So what I'm planning to do is to attach it on the side of the door of the tool cabinet that I made, like this. Okay, so let's do it. So if it is open like this and attach it here, yeah, maybe just to save some space. Okay, let's do it, Andong.